Say cheese, fellas.
One thing's for sure, that digital camera is down here by the trail. We won't find it.
You got damn near a 360-degree view from up here. About this.
All the mountain range. It's pretty impressive when it's covered with snow.
That's got to be one of the most impressive rocks.
You know, I wouldn't be surprised if that's not a pass. See where the line looks? Looks like a line going up there. At the end of the road.
Yeah.
I honestly believed I was going to climb up here and see another half a mile down the road of Rocky Mountain.
That's what I was thinking too.
So this can't be it. Okay. What I want to take is some pictures of you guys. I can get you.
Well, can you? Will that thing take a picture of all of us?